All right, guys, we have the 6th hired request of the 2018 list up today. Dancing in the Moonlight by King Harvest. Really popular song. I have my electric piano sound here on my keyboard. So let's take a listen what this sounds like. There we go, there's the beginning part. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're going to learn this whole thing on webpianoteacher.com. I'm going to give you the part 1 here in a minute, but the rest of it's on webpianoteacher.com. Something on there for everybody, even if you are a complete beginner. I have 50 basic lessons to start you from ground zero, get you playing all that wonderful stuff you want to play. Check me out on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. And you can see what I'm up to, what newest video I've uploaded. Okay, so let's get going here. I have, like I said, an electric piano sound on my cheap Casio keyboard, which I love. And we're up high. Later on, it's going to be played lower, but we're up high to start with. And I think this old keyboard sound sounds a lot like what's in the recording, so works pretty well. Disregard that E flat in parentheses. We'll use that later. But to start with, we start with a C above middle C. And you notice I'm playing left hand. I don't know how the person does it on the... You can play it all with one hand, or you can let your left hand help out. I kind of like letting my left hand help out, so I'm going to do that. C, G, then the G is next. And actually, I'm going to play the next note with my right hand. So C with the left hand, and then G, B flat, G with 1, 2, 1. So C, G, B flat, G. You got to stretch out. And then E flat with your third finger or your fourth finger. Then B flat, G, B flat. So the right hand just has an E flat major chord. If you just look at the shape on the right hand, the chord is really a C minor 7 because you have that C in the bass there. C, E flat, G, B flat. But get those notes, those keys under your fingers before you start in your right hand. And you can just let it go like that. Hold the pedal down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we have... And this is really a keyboard-driven song, isn't it? There's guitar in there and other instruments, of course, but the keyboard really drives it. And us keyboard players, piano players, love those kind of songs, don't we? So the next measure is E flat, A flat, E flat. I'll go 1, 4 or 1, 3, whatever you want. I like 1, 4, 1, 4. And then I'm going to play C and E flat with 2 and 4. Bum, 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 bum. And the left hand will have an F right here. Then that same F again. And then A natural, B flat. So A natural there. Ba-bum. So you have hands together there. Left, right. See that? Left, right. Now right, left. So you have to pedal on that A natural or it will blur with everything else. So make sure you lift your pedal there. Okay, again, that measure really slow. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and okay, let's go from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Then we get to the B flat measure there. Now let's speed it up. All right, so there's our part 1 there. We are already finished with it on the website. Hope you guys enjoyed this part 1, and I'll talk to you later.